Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy a side hustle with Etsy detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by identifying your niche. Research what products are popular on Etsy. Consider your skills and interests when choosing a product to sell. Create a list of potential items based on your research. Validate your ideas by checking competition and demand. Think about how you can add a unique twist to your products. Next, set up an Etsy account. Visit the Etsy website and sign up for a seller account. Fill in your shop information, including your shop name. Choose a profile picture and shop banner that reflects your brand. Now, it's time to create your product listings. Take high-quality photos of your products with good lighting. Write compelling descriptions that highlight the features and benefits. Set a competitive price based on your research. Include clear shipping policies and processing times. Once your listings are ready, think about your branding. Design a cohesive look for your shop, including logos and colors. Craft a memorable shop announcement to engage customers. Now, implement marketing strategies to promote your shop. Utilize social media platforms to showcase your products. Engage with potential customers through posts and stories. Consider running targeted ads on Etsy for increased visibility. Join Etsy communities or groups to network with other sellers. Regularly update your shop with new products and seasonal items. Track your sales and customer feedback to adjust your strategy. Continuously refine your listings based on market trends. Stay informed about Etsy policies and updates to ensure compliance. Keep an eye on your competition for inspiration and ideas. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.